Hello fellow educators, I am just here today to show you a few things that I've found while we're out of school that may be helpful or beneficial to students or us for that matter. The first one that I want to show you is something called Read and Write for Google, and basically what this does is it allows students to edit PDFs. It also allows text-to-speech so that the software can read articles. Like if we assign an article for students, maybe they struggle with reading, it allows that. The premium feature has a dictionary, picture dictionary, word suggestions, highlighters, vocab list, and then check it for spelling and grammar and things like that, as well as 80 plus other features. And the premium is, I think, $100. Actually, it's more than that. It's like $124. But as educators, this is free to us. So I have put in an application for our school. I think they are going to text Brother Marcus, and I'm not really sure what else he has to do. But I have already downloaded it before I knew we could register for the premium version. So we do have the free version, and it's right here. From my understanding, what this does is it allows students to edit PDFs. So they can type on a PDF, like download a PDF and then type on it. I'm not 100% sure about all of the features yet. I have seen it on a video on Facebook from another educator, and it looked like something that could be beneficial for us. Another thing that I found on a group on Facebook is something called PDF Candy, and basically what it does is it allows students to download PDFs and then either convert them to Word so that they can add to them, and then reconvert them back to PDFs so that they could turn them in through homework drop. And as we continue to have to teach from home, I think that this will be more beneficial as we move forward. It also lets us rearrange pages or edit PDFs, which are things that generally cost money. And this will give us and our students, this is free, the ability to manipulate documents and get them turned in and things like that. So I don't have much more to say other than I thought these two documents might be beneficial to us as we're out of school and teaching remotely. So hope that helps. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm by no means an expert, but I am attempting to use some of these things to make my teaching a little easier. So let me know, and I'll do the best that I can do.